like that, all the way. Flip it over and do the same thing. There we go. This is going to help it stick. There we go. Onto our dry rub like this. That little press here and there. Get them nicely covered. And we do the same on the other side. Beautiful. Great. All right, let's get a little extra on there. And we are off. Change it out for one that we have ready right here with some aluminum foil. Shiny side in, of course. There we go. Now, go ahead and come this way. And we set it like this. Nice little crown shape. With the help of a couple of skewers, it's going to keep its shape. One through here, just like that. And we do the same again right underneath. We have a bowl here that we're going to grab, place it right in center. Potatoes resting in butter, thyme, rosemary, and garlic. Tiny bit of olive oil. And we have some cheddar and some provolone, just like this. Let's fill it up. One more round of potatoes, guys. These are not cooked yet. They will be cooking in the oven along with the ribs. We're gonna top it off. Cheddar provolone, just like that. We're gonna close this up, nice and tight. All the way around, and we're off to the oven just this way. And here we are, y'all. It is time for business, and we are open. Check that out. Let's go ahead and get these babies out the way. Beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, mama. Let's go over here. Wow. Let's flip it over. There we go. Now, let's get to it. Whew, that's all I need. Let's go here. Look at this. Delicious. Off the bone, you said? There you go. Enjoy.